So example 2 is x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. So like I said in the example 1, so we pick this and we multiply it by this, by the highest power of x. So the right here will give us 8x squared. So now we are going to look for two numbers where we multiply it will give us 8x squared, and if we add it will give us minus 6x. So always pay attention to the sign before the one at the middle, which is the one that having the x, the ordinary x. So here we have minus 6x. Also, the two numbers that we are going to use, or that the two number that will work in this case, is minus 2x and minus 4. Look at it, minus 2x and minus 4x. So look at it, minus 2x times minus 4x, that will give us 8x squared. So don't forget, minus times minus, that will give us plus. So that's why we're having 8x squared. Then minus 2x minus 4x. So that will give us minus 6x. So that's what we are going to use. So we are going to use this value to replace 6x. So let's rewrite the equation. So we are going to be having x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 8, so equals to 0. So let's pick it in 2. So now let's factorize. So let's look at what's common between the two of them, this x squared minus 2x. So what's common here is x. So x squared divided by x, it will be left with x. If we divide minus 2x divided by x, we'll be left with minus 2. Close the brackets. Let's go to the second bracket. Minus 4x plus 8. So what's common between between minus 4x and plus 8? Here we have minus 4. So if you have minus 4x divided by minus 4, we'll be left with x. So 8 divided by minus 4, so we'll be left with minus 2. So like I said earlier, what you have in the bracket will always be the same thing. So if you're having different value, that's to let you know that there's a mistake somewhere, so and you have to check out for it. And by the time you even open this bracket, you arrive at this. So now let's bring together the ones that is outside the bracket. We're going to have x minus 4 and then x minus 2, okay, equals to 0. So we equate each of them to 0. So if we say x minus 4 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So if you make x the subject of formula, if minus 4 comes to the other side of the equation, so we have x equals to 4. So right here, so if minus 2 should come to the other side of the equation, we have our x is equals to 2. So the value of x for the equation x squared minus 6x plus 8 is 4 and 2. So that's it for example 2.